Across the curriculum, 6F. Exercise 1, page 72.
Remembrance Day in Australia. Australians celebrate Remembrance Day on the 11th of November every year in honour of the 62,000 Australians who died fighting in World War I. It is also an occasion to honour soldiers who have died in wars since then. In the morning, the crowds gather at war memorials across the country. People sing songs and read poems. Then, just before 11 a.m., a musician plays The Last Post on a bugle. This slow, sad tune signals the beginning of a 2-minute silence. 11 o'clock marks the end of the First World War on the morning of the 11th of November, 1918. Then the bugler plays The Rouse. This is the tune which wakes soldiers up in the mornings, and, as part of the remembrance service, is a sign of hope and of a new beginning. On this occasion, many people wear red paper poppies pinned to their clothes. The poppy is the symbol of Remembrance Day, because these flowers grew in such huge numbers every year on the battlefields in France during World War I.